boys and girls.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you doing today?
Fine, thank you.
Good. So, before we begin our lesson, I have a video to show you, right? So, you're going to sit back, relax, and pay attention.
Hello friends, welcome to a new Happy Learning video. Look at these images. Do you know what we're looking at? Exactly, they are angles. And today we are going to learn many things about them. An angle is space between two intersecting lines or surfaces that emerge from the same place called vertex. If you look around, we are surrounded by angles, like the ones this clock handles. Or an ice cream cone makes. The unit of measure of the angles is the degree. And the most important angle of all is this one. It's called a right angle and it measures 90 degrees. The tiny zero you can see in the right upper part of the number 90 is a symbol that represents all angles. We say that a right angle is the most important one because it is the one that is used to compare all of the other angles. The angles that are smaller than the right angle are called acute angles, and they measure less than 90 degrees, like all of these. And the angles that are bigger than a right angle are called obtuse angles, and measure more than 90 degrees, like all of these. To know the degrees that an angle measures, we need to use this instrument, which is called...
Good. So, what have you learned from the video? Yes, Sylvia.
We learned about angles.
We learned about angle. Yes, Darwina. What did you learn from the video? Very good. Okay, Shini. Okay. Christine. We learned about the types of angles. Very good. So what is our topic for maths? Good. Angles, right? And we're looking at how many types of angles? Three, right? Now what angle is this? It is a right angle, right? And how many degrees does this measure?
90 degrees.
90 degrees, right? What angle is this? An acute angle, right? And how many degrees is this acute angle measured? Less than 90 degrees, right? And what is less than 90 degrees? 80 degrees, 45 degrees, yes, 30 degrees, right? Very good. And our last angle. What is this? What is the name of this angle?
Obtuse.
Obtuse angle, right? And how many degrees is an obtuse angle? More than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees, right? angles we will be looking at. And what is the first one? Right angle, and we already know that a right angle is measured exactly at how many degrees? 90 degrees. Right, the other one. What is the other angle? An acute angle. And how much is an acute angle measured? Less than 90 degrees, right? And these are examples of an acute angle. What is the last one? An obtuse angle. Right? And an obtuse angle is measured more than 90, but less than how many degrees? 180 degrees, right? Please go to your activity groups. Come, Roman. Group 1, you will match the angle to its correct description, right? And this is our group 1. Make sure you write your names on your paper. Group 2, this is our group 2. You will draw the correct angle in the box, right? So you're looking at the top of the box for the correct names, and you're going to draw the correct angles. And group 3, you will write the names for the various angles. Right? So you make sure you look at the angles carefully and you write the correct names. You may begin. Is everybody finished now?
Yes.
Good. So I'll be walking around to collect your worksheet, right? Group 2 did a great job. Group 1 did a great job too. And group 3 also did a great job. Give yourselves a round of applause. Good. So I want you to use your arms and you're going to make a right angle forward. Everybody, make a right angle. Okay, very good. Now you will make an obtuse angle. Come on, an obtuse angle. This is how an obtuse angle looks. It is a wide angle, right? Okay, let's see. Obtuse angle. Like this. Right? This is what you call an obtuse angle. Now I want you to make an acute angle with your arms now. Come on, acute angle, or it can be like this, right? Now to end our lesson, on your hands now. To end our lesson, we're going to play a game called Find My Angles, right? So you're going to walk around in the class and you're going to find your angles, right? This group, you're finding the acute angle for me. Back group, you're finding the right angle for me. And this group here, you're finding the obtuse angle for me, right? So you can get up orderly and find those angles. There is the paper. You can check in the corner. You check. Right? Just look around and see if you can find those angles. You can raise up books and so to find them, right? If you have the phone, you can raise it up and check for those angles. How many angles did you find? Raise them up, let me see the angles. Kristen, what angle did your group have to find? Good, very good. Show them your acute angle. Good. Christine, what angle did your group have to find? The right angle. Good, very good. And Barbie Nash,